What's going on, folks? Dalton Wildwood Adventures. I'm here at the top of Glendora Mountain Road, where it turns into Glendora Ridge Road, and you have the option to take a street or a road down to Azusa Canyon, or you can continue on Glendora Ridge Road to Mount Baldy Village. Right now I am just on a scouting mission. I brought my bike up here just to cruise around, check out some of the trails I'll be going on and taking you on. And that's about it for today. Just kind of wanted to see if the roads were open and how the beginnings of the trail looks. So that's about it. So take a look around. That's Mount Baldy right there. That's the road that goes down to Azusa Canyon. This is Glendora Ridge Road. Take you around here. And then that's Glendora Mountain Road right there. So cruise around with me for a little bit as we check out the scenes. And like I said, this is just a little scouting mission, and that's about it. So talk to you soon. Dalton Wildwood Adventures. Pro you and peace out. trash. What's going on, people? Dalton Wildwood Adventures. I'm up here on a random fire break road here in the San Gabriel Mountains. I got Mount Baldy behind me. Check it out. Pretty cool. That's Glendora Ridge Road that takes you to Baldy Village right there. The road that goes down, that goes into Azusa Canyon and follows camp, bridge to nowhere. And over here, it's a crappy air quality day, but downtown LA is down there somewhere amidst the smog. That's Glendora Mountain Road over there. And then down in there is Azusa Canyon, Highway 39. So this trail starts to descend, which I'm assuming will go into Azusa Canyon, but I'm going to put my camera back on my bike here and go out the way I came in on this fire break road. It was gradually uphill. I had to push my bike a little bit, but this should be a nice ride going down to back to Glendora Mountain Road. And then I'll check out the top part of Glendora's Monroe Truck Trail fire break road. Dalton Wildwood Adventures. Peace out.